Okay, so I'm gonna go see if people are at the snack house. Hopefully I can hear me here. Because I don't even know. So hell, I can't even hear my damn self. So take this turn here. Then I'm gonna go look in the mailbox to see if anything came. Yeah, I got a letter to write back. I didn't even know it. I mean, I did know it, but I didn't write back yet. Yeah, like I said, I cannot wait to get my shit together. Once I get my shit together, like, get my life together, things come out the way I want them to go, I'm going to be really happy and peaceful. Like I said, whether I have to have a place, apartment, or house, it don't really matter. But it'd be nice to have the house that's $700 and something dollars. Hello. Those cookies, Maria's cookies. Una. Sí. Dos. Oh. Oh, sí. Oh. Okay. Oh. Me gusta pretty. Very pretty. Oh. I'm too much. That's pretty though. Y una coca. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. How much for una? Oh, okay. I got something. Una coca. Can you see? Yeah, cause yeah, I didn't even get no mask, which I should. Well, I got something in the mail. Tres. Dos. $2.75. $2.75? Yeah. Me no cambio. But yeah, yeah. Oh no, me too. Oh no. Sí. Gracias. Gracias. I gotta go to this house. Gracias.
Gracias.
Adios. I'm gonna go to the house. And yeah, but like I say, I cannot wait to have my shit going the way I want it to go. Like, have my house or an apartment, however I can get it, I'll take it. I mean, if they're gonna mail truck way over there, but if I gotta have an apartment, then so be it. But like I say, my thing is, okay, if you're paying $700 and something for a 1-bedroom apartment, why can't you? They got a mail truck right there. She going up the stairs. Must got a package on. But why can't you pay that same amount of money for a house? I mean, it's $700 and something. Like, come on. But yeah, something better than nothing, though. I'll take the house anyway. But yeah, hi y'all.